In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to contact Xero online support step by step so you can get help quickly when you run into an issue with your accounting, bank feeds, invoices, or anything else inside Xero. If you've ever searched around the platform trying to find a contact button and felt stuck, this guide will walk you through the exact process. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important step that most users overlook. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're inside your organization dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small question mark icon. This is the Help button. Go ahead and click on that question mark icon. When the Help panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Before Xero allows you to contact support directly, they require you to search for your issue first. So in the search box, type a clear description of your problem. For example, you might type bank feed not updating or invoice email not sending. As you type, Xero will display suggested help articles. Click on one or two of the suggested articles that seem relevant to your issue. Xero requires you to review suggested help content before the contact option becomes available. Take a moment to skim through the articles and see if they solved your problem. In many cases, the answer is actually there, which can save you time. If the articles don't resolve your issue, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Help panel. This is where many users get confused. The Contact Xero Support button only appears after you've searched and viewed help content. Once you see the Contact Xero Support option, click on it to proceed. Now you'll be taken to a support request form. This is where you'll provide the details Xero support team needs to assist you effectively. Start with the organization field. If you have access to multiple businesses in Xero, make sure you select the correct organization that your issue relates to. Next, choose the subject and topic. Select the category that best matches your issue. For example, if your problem is related to bank transactions, choose something like bank feeds. Picking the correct topic ensures your request goes to the right support specialist, which can speed up the response time. In the description field, write a clear and detailed explanation of the problem. Include what you were trying to do, what actually happened, and any error messages you received. The more specific you are, the faster support can understand and resolve your case. If possible, mention the date and time the issue occurred and the browser you're using. You'll also see an option to grant access by ticking Invite Xero Support. This step is optional, but it's highly recommended if you're comfortable with it. By granting access, you allow Xero support team to securely view your organization's data to investigate the issue directly. This can significantly reduce back-and-forth emails and help resolve complex problems faster. Once everything is filled out, double-check your information to make sure it's accurate. Then click Submit My Case. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation, and Xero support team will typically respond via email. And that's it. That's exactly how to contact Xero online support the right way. Just remember, click the Help icon, search first, review the suggested articles, scroll down to find the Contact button, complete the form carefully, and submit your case. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.